In her testimony, Ivanka Trump said she had nothing to do with her father's financial statements. Ivanka Trump claims to recall certain details of a 2011 meeting where she presented her family business's proposal to convert a former post office into a hotel in Washington, D.C. She remembers talking about the company's experience and the broader mission, and her father bragging about his refurbishment of New York's renowned Plaza Hotel. However, she claimed before the court on Wednesday that she couldn't recall hearing anything about his yearly financial records, which are crucial evidence in the civil fraud case that may change the course of the former President Donald Trump's family business. His older daughter, who has been in his inner circle in both business and politics, testified, "I don't recall, with specificity, any discussion over financial statements." She claimed that the intention of the meeting was to talk about our vision for the project, so that's what I recall in response to questions about how she could recall discussing the plaza but not the financial documents, even though records indicated they had sparked inquiries from officials in charge of the post office bidding prior to the meeting. Ivanka Trump completed a significant portion of the trial that has the potential to completely change the family business with composed testimony that served as a counterbalance to her father's acerbic turn on the stand a few days earlier. Her father testified on Monday, while her brothers, Eric and Donald Trump Jr., gave testimony last week. In her complaint, New York Attorney General Letitia James claims that Donald Trump's asset valuations were artificially inflated for years on yearly statements of financial condition in order to enable him obtain insurance and loans. The charges of conspiracy, insurance fraud, and manipulating company records will be decided by a non-jury trial. However, the primary claim of the action has already been settled by Judge Arthur Engoron, who found that Trump committed fraud. The judgment included clauses that might have prevented the former president from overseeing assets like Trump Tower, but for the time being, an appeals court has allowed him to have authority over his holdings.